Hello everyone. I just wanted to come on here and do a really short video. I am not, let me say first, advocating at all for ordering from this company, only because after ordering did I realize it was coming from China. So this is from Paper Wrld, and I'm just gonna pull, I haven't even opened this up all the way yet, so from Paper Wrld, and I saw it on Facebook or something, and I looked at the website and it said it had a Florida address. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll try this. It's interesting. It's really inexpensive. I guess which should have been a clue, right? That it wasn't from America. So it seems that they're using an American address, but it's actually shipping from China. So that's why I'm saying I'm not advocating for purchasing from here, but I did want to show you what I got, and what it looks like and the quality of it. And I do have a discount code in the description box if you are interested in trying it out, but just know that this is from China. It did take a couple weeks to get here, which is fine, not that big of a deal, but I'm not a proponent of necessarily ordering from China or Chinese companies, just because I would rather support local, smaller businesses whenever possible. So this just arrived minutes ago in the mail. And the things that I ordered, first of all, look how tiny that is. It fits in the palm of my hand. And you can see it's got made in China, all this Chinese writing on it. It's definitely from China. And, you know, I lived in Japan, and so I'm not against buying things in the countries when you're visiting there. But like I said, I just would prefer to buy American. But these are PET or PET stickers. So these are much smaller than I anticipated. But these ones are like little lace doily type stickers, and it's just got a bunch of different designs. Looks like I got one that's black and white, or is this, yeah, mostly black in here it looks like. So definitely tomato jam girl. And it's all in Chinese, the instructions. So maybe we'll try one of those. And I think maybe this might be similar. They had like a pack of different ones to try. These are little frames. Once again, you can see these all fit in the palm of my hand. This one, Lace Fantasy. So these are, I think I thought these would be bigger, but these are like little, you know, like background kind of sheets. So definitely quite small. And I haven't seen anything like this exactly from an American company, so that's why I did order things that I thought I hadn't seen from an American company before, which I thought this was American, like I said. And so I wanted to try them. So again, quite small. So this was kind of like a little 4-pack, I think, kind of thing. Little tiny things. I mean, super cute, right? But really tiny. Story link. So these are like little pages, and obviously these are smaller than I thought as well. They had a whole bunch of different styles, and I thought these kind of old-timey looking, some of them are in different languages, but they remind me of, you know, very old timey. It's like vellum kind of. Old greeting cards that I would get as a child or that my grandmother had. So these are much smaller than I anticipated too. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to utilize these because like with the vellum, you know, how are you going to stick that on? You have to be careful about how you stick it on anything because you'll see adhesive through that. And then I also got Botanical Garden because I think this is the one that maybe had butterflies or something. Again, much smaller, smaller than I thought. But would be fun for, you know, mixed media type thing. I mean, this sunflower is super pretty. Mushrooms and florals and berries. And maybe I didn't get the one that has the butterflies. I don't know. They had quite a few different ones to choose from, and it was kind of hard to tell. Maybe the butterfly one was the one I only liked some of it. I don't remember, but I got this one. Let's see. This is, I don't know. These just look like old-timey kind of papers. A really eclectic set of tags and papers. These are fairly thin. They feel different than regular paper though. They feel slightly plasticky. This says the old morning paper. So these, I just thought it'd be really fun for mixed media type things. They have like little postcards and all these little things cut up. Just antique-y looking fun things to do. So that's quite a large set there. What does it say? I don't know if it says like how many pieces you get here. No, it doesn't say how many pieces, but it is a lot of pieces. And again, made in China, and I didn't know, so sorry. This is kind of a similar thing, except for it's like bill. This is bill list. So they're like little bills, little pieces of paper. Just thought this would be fun. And same feeling. It's got like, you know, it's fairly thin, but it's not, I don't know, it just feels a little bit different. So, and I think these are more pet stickers. I think these are like the apothecary ones, or like little jars. They had quite a few different ones. So yeah, these are like little see-through jars, which I thought would be like, this is like a little mason type jar kind of thing. That one says memory on it. It has a little ribbon on it. This one says today collector's dream. So something probably an American company wouldn't necessarily say. So some of the wording might be a little odd. Retro series. I don't remember what this is. It says 80 pieces. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm... Okay, it's kind of sticking together here. Okay, so more little papers. This is an interesting way to utilize them. I don't remember ordering this. I don't remember picking this out. But again, little papers with handwriting on it. Interesting. It's a pretty cool cover, actually, I thought. Okay, and so these are, oh, here's the butterfly thing that I got. Butterfly Gathering. So, again, all made in China. And I think these are kind of like PET stickers as well, but on like a roll. I think these ones look kind of like stamps. They're supposed to look like stamps, both of these. Let's see. But here we go. Okay, so once again, pretty small, but pretty cool for mixed media or journaling. You know, it's got some mushrooms and stuff, so that I'll mix and match with some of those other things that I got. But this is mostly butterflies, and it looks like it's, I mean, so it repeats, like, looks like you get about this much before it starts repeating. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 28 different stamps that repeat, and it is quite thick roll. And I think for this whole box, I probably spent around $40. Maybe a little less before shipping. And I think if you spend like around that much, then you get discounted shipping. I don't think there was free shipping. I can't remember. But like I said, I'm not pushing this. I'm not necessarily advocating for it. I just wanted you to see, in case you've seen the commercials. And then this is Flower Express, and they had quite a few different options. Sorry, I should just be getting my scissors out to open this. All right, and it looks like I probably will lose a couple of them on here as well, but so anyway, like I said, I'm not pushing this. If you're interested, there's a discount code for 10 pennies, which is 10% off, but you might be able to find a larger discount just on the ad if you wanted to try this out. Where did this come off at? Right here. So these are kind of plasticky feeling little stickers. And it looks like, so this is fun. It's got little berries here, and then a lot of flowers. Look at, they spelled Mississippi correctly. So that's impressive right there. Yeah, so right here is where it starts to repeat. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, 28 different little stamps in this set, and before it starts to looks like it repeats. So yeah. So anyway, this is Paper Wrld, as I said. If you would like to check it out, I will link it below. But just know that it is from China, and if you would rather not support China, then that's perfectly fine as well. So thanks. Come again. Bye-bye.